Is your Spectrum TV app constantly muting? You're not alone. Many users experience this, but the good news is it's often fixable with a few simple steps. The problem usually stems from audio balance issues, incorrect volume limits, or remote control conflicts. First, restart the app in your streaming device, such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Android, or iOS. Then, dive into the app's settings. Check the audio balance. It should be centered at 0%. An imbalance can make it sound like the audio is cutting out. Next, adjust the volume limit within the app's audio menu. Make sure it's set to the maximum, or at least high enough to hear comfortably. Conflicting signals from your physical remote can also cause problems. Try replacing the batteries, reprogramming the remote, or even using the on-screen controls within the Spectrum TV app instead. Lastly, ensure both the Spectrum TV app and your device's operating system are updated to the latest versions. Spectrum releases updates regularly that address audio bugs and improve compatibility. The latest stable version as of August 2025 is 25.2.1. Try these steps to resolve 70 to 80% of muting issues without needing professional help. If the basic steps didn't work, there are a few more things to consider. Some users find that disabling their TV's auto-mute feature can prevent conflicts. Also, weak Wi-Fi or data throttling can sometimes cause audio interruptions. Try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection to see if that helps. Spectrum has also integrated an in-app diagnostic tool that can automatically detect audio imbalances and suggest fixes. Look for this in the app's settings menu. Looking ahead, Spectrum is using AI to predict and prevent audio disruptions. By 2027, expect full integration with smart home ecosystems like Alexa, allowing voice commands to bypass muting issues. Streaming experts predict that as 5G expands, network-induced muting will become less common. Remember to consult Spectrum's official website or app for the most up-to-date device-specific advice and troubleshooting information.